ये जो हमारा लेक्चर है ये लेक्चर नंबर 3 है और जो आज पढ़ेंगे वो हम पढ़ेंगे ऑटो नंबर. When a new record is created, Access will automatically assign a unique integer to the record in the field. From the general option, select increment of if the number should be assigned in order or random if any random number should be choose. Since every record in data sheet must include at least one field that distinguishing if from all other this is a useful data type to use if the exacting data will not be produced such as value. Yes, no. Use the option for true, false, yes, no, on, off, or the other value that must be only one or two. Allow object and allow object linking and embedding object in a sound, picture, or other object such as Word document in an Excel spreadsheet that is created in another program. Use this type to impede of all object to link the object in the database. Hyperlink. The hyperlink will link a website and another location in the database. A hyperlink address have two of four parts: the text that is displayed in the field, the path to a file or a URL, as subtext which is location in the file or page in the website. Text the display of the consists of up to four parts, and each separate of the pound sound display text address screen the address in the required part of the string. Example internet hyperlink, example Google Chrome. Description optional. Enter a brief description of what you content of the field are. Field properties. Select and parent properties for the field from the bottom pane. Properties for each field are set from the bottom pane of the design view. Field size is used to set a number of characters needed in the text of number field. The default field size for the text type is 50 characters. If the record in the field will only have 2 or 3 characters, you can change the size of the field to save disk space or prevent entry error by limiting the number of characters. Allow link wise in otherwise will require more than 50 characters. Enter a number up to 255. This field size in the set of exact character for the text type, but optional are given for the number. Byte positive integer between 1 to 255 integer. Positive and negative integer between 2 and starter. Long integer. Large positive and negative integrated between 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 8 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 7. Single Persian floating point number. Double Persian floating point number. Decimal allow for precious and secure property control. Format. Conform the data is filled to the format specifying the format property for the text and memo field. This property has two parts are the separate by semicolon. The first part of the property is used to apply to field and the second apply for the empty field. Text and memo format. Number format. Select one of the present option from the drop down menu and construct a custom formatting using symbol explained below. Currency format. This format consists of four parts of separating semicolon from the positive number format, a negative number format, a zero value format, and null value. Currency format. Explanation. Positive value will be normal currency for the negative number will be the red and parent. Zero is a zero value and known will be red in null. Data format. In database below the value 1 to essential the datasheet the following value display as a result of the different yes or no display on the checkbox on the difficulty datasheet. To change the formatting field, first click on the lookup tab and change the display. Control the text box, go back to the general tab choice to make a formatting. Changing the formatting is designed to three selections: sequential, semicolon. The first section does not contain anything but the semicolon must be included. The second selection specify formatting yes value and the third for no values. Formatting yes, agree, no, red. Explanation print yes in the green or no in the red. A default value. There may be cases when you value field might usually to same for all